A 28,000 lesson that you won't have to pay for. Here now to help you to skip the try and error phase and help you to grow your business to six-figure and beyond with a business model that works. Remember this, you and I are in this together. We're here to support you every step of your business building journey. A 28,000 lesson that you won't have to pay for. So last week we talked about my step-by-step roadmap to building wealth. I really hope you enjoy my Cliff Note version of how I've been operating the In Academy year over year to get to a place where we maintain six figures annually. So why am I sharing with you this so vulnerably, very transparent with you how much we're making with all the lessons that I've learned, as well as like all the challenge and bottleneck and all the roadblocks that I faced? Because I really hope my journey will inspire yours so that you can get to where you wanted to go faster with fewer mistakes. Heading back to my previous video, if you forget where we left off, this is where we are. So back to the $1 million question right here. Why am I sharing with you this so vulnerably and so transparent? Let me shed a light on what I want you to take away from this. I've done six figures with loads of different offers. I've also done six figure with very few offers. I've also done six figure with serving entrepreneur only. I've done it with more youthful brands as well as those that are more experienced. I've also done it with a smaller audience of 1,500 LinkedIn connection to be exact, and a larger audience right now with 20,000 followers. I've also hit six figure by posting daily and also hit it by posting just 3 times a week. What's your point, Salina? Here's my point. Audience size, website, and the nuances of the branding difference aren't the six-figure factors. They are just cherry on the top. Your profitable offer suite and solid personal brand foundation are the six-figure factors. Yes, that is it. If you're interested to learn more about this particularly, I invited you to access to this free LinkedIn training right here. So my friend, please bear with me when I say this. You might think you need a larger following, a prettier website with all the animation, all the cool graphics, all the beautiful photography. You might also think you need a lot of offers, a totally different new business idea all together. But in actuality, you need to stop fixating on adding more and more to your business, but start leaning it all out strategically. I don't just mean by your offer either. I'm talking about your marketing, your messaging, your content, your clients and traffic. Yes, all those eyeballs and the audience. All the external stuff that you think you need to be in the pipeline to be successful, actually all you need is a minimalistic front end and a profitable maximizing back end. That's it. Here's what you might be thinking right now. When I get big enough and I have the followers, the beautiful branding, website, the money will naturally come in, then that will be the time I'll take the time to really work on my offers and my backend. But really, insider, it's the other way around. Work on your offer right now, and then you can optimize your personal brand, and you will have all of your unique messaging that you can, on the flip side, just waiting for you. Alright, here's the final bit that I want you to walk away with today. It's not a question of if you will be successful, because seriously, have you met you yourself? You've got an entire resume of figuring out-ish. You are amazing at what you're doing, so you definitely do it. But the real question is, how do you want that success to feel? spacious, or slam. I'm here now to help you to skip the try and error phase and help you to grow your business to six-figure and beyond with a business model that works. Remember this, you and I are in this together. We're here to support you every step of your business building journey. It's all right here for you. I invited you to book a 30 minutes LinkedIn blind spot call with me and my team right down below. I cannot wait to meet you and get to know you and your business. I appreciate you very much for tuning in this week. If something that I shared today helped you to get one step closer to being the CEO you desire to be, then I've done my job with my content today. Let's make LinkedIn work for you and your business. I cannot wait to see you next week, same time. Bye for now. Hey, love what you're watching so far? Check out the next video with my full interview with the legendary Alex Hormozi talking about free work or hard work. Check it out right now. You do not want to miss this.